Are you ready to unleash your creativity? DALL-E makes it possible. This tool transforms your words into stunning visuals in seconds. DALL-E is an AI image generator by OpenAI. With it, you can create unique images from text prompts. It's ideal for artists, designers, and marketers. Today, we will explore how to use DALL-E effectively. First, let's talk about prompts. A prompt is your command to DALL-E. The clearer your prompt, the better the image. Start with a subject, for example, a futuristic cityscape. Next, add details. Include colors, styles, and emotions. Instead of saying a dog, try a playful golden retriever in a sunny park. Now, let's structure your prompts effectively. Use descriptive adjectives. This helps direct DALL-E's creativity. Also, consider context. Will this image tell a story or serve a purpose? Let's move on to controlling image output. DALL-E can create variations of your prompt. After generating an image, you can refine it based on your needs. Select an image you like, then adjust the prompt for clarity. Lastly, we have the outpainting feature. Outpainting allows you to expand an image creatively beyond its original borders. It's great for storytelling and visuals. Imagine extending a serene beach scene to a bustling city skyline. The possibilities are endless. To sum up, begin with a clear prompt. Add descriptive details, control the output, and explore outpainting. With practice, you'll create impressive images with ease. Ready to dive into the world of DALL-E? Start experimenting today, create stunning visuals and share them with the world. In the next video we will discuss about stable diffusion implementation. Stay connected with us. Thank you.